welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to be going over the 19-piece insulated socket set from Jonard tools. So right here is what it looks like. And this thing, I already know it's amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and open this for you guys and show you guys what's inside, how it looks like. You guys have probably already seen other people's videos on this. I got this a long time ago and I apologize, I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm super excited because I know this thing is super high quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and open it up together. All right, I got a terrible glare, so I apologize about that, but let's go ahead and open this up. Nothing more satisfying than opening up some plastic on a brand new tool. So to get this thing out, I don't even know. All right, so on the end there's gonna be a little flap. All right, so there we go. Let's go ahead and slide this out. All right, so first of all, this case is really great. Imprinted Jonard tools. You got the clips up here to release. Obviously, you're gonna want to have that facing down so when you open it, everything doesn't fall out. All right, so once you go ahead and open this up with the nice clips, everything is nice and firm. You will see the foam pad right here. Everything is foamed. Jonard tools at the top. You'll see to the observant viewer, everything is labeled here. So you got your numbers 6, 7, all the way through 15. Ratchet handle here. Extension bar 6-inch, extension bar 10-inch, extension bar 3-inch, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I quite missed that the first time I recorded this video, so I'm doing it again, so it's better, full transparency. So you got the ratchet handle here. Everything is fully insulated. Do obviously like the orange and yellow, the standard 1000 volt insulated colors. You'll notice here the 6-inch extension, and everything is fully tight in there in the foam padding. Everything is nice and firm and stays in place. You will have to press on the back of this to put a socket in or out, or the extension in or out. So you put it in, locked in, push, release, super easy. And then you got your 3-inch extension down here. You can add these up. So once you go ahead and put all 3 of these together, you'll have 19 inches. And I don't know the wobble rate or the wobble ratio of a normal extension set, but obviously you're gonna have a little bit, even with snap-ons and stuff like that. So there is a tiny bit of wobble. I don't think that's super concerning, but something to keep in mind if in case you're putting an extreme amount of torque on these. Something could round off at the end or something like that. But other than that, I think this is a really amazing set, and that is the only thing, the only small complaint that I would just be aware of if you are considering getting this set. But everything is extremely and highly quality made. Love the foam padding. Everything fits in perfectly and firmly. Like you can see how hard I had to push to get that in there. And then once again, on the extensions, the sockets are extremely easy to get in and out. Minimum effort right there. So those are really, really nice. And then everything is labeled on the back, 1000 volt insulated. You'll have your part number here in case you like lose one and need to get another one. But if you lose it, then you can't really see the part number, but that's on you. But anyways, really, really like this, and I really, really appreciate Jonard Tools for sending this out to me. And I'm going to post some pictures on Instagram and stuff like that. So make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll be posting some more updates with tools, stuff at my work, and stuff in my work, job, and life stuff. So make sure to follow me there if you're interested in more updates at Daily Electrician YT on Instagram. And that's going to wrap it up for this one. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, what you guys think of the 19-piece insulated socket set from Jonard Tools. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for sending this out. Candace, I appreciate it. You're the best. See you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.